In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a pie chart in Google Slides. Whether you're presenting sales data, showing a budget breakdown, or just wanting to add some visual pop to your presentation, mastering pie charts is a versatile and essential skill. Let's get started. First, make sure you've opened your Google Slides presentation and are on the slide where you want to insert the pie chart. This is important because knowing where you want to place your chart helps maintain the flow and design of your presentation. Once you're ready, head up to the menu bar and select Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over Chart, and you'll see several options. Click on Pie Moise. A default pie chart appears on your slide. Now, this pie chart is just a placeholder with sample data. We need to customize it to reflect your unique data. To do this, click on the chart. You'll notice some options pop up around it. Look for the icon that looks like a chain link if it's a linked chart, or you might see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options icon. Click it, and from the menu that appears, select Open Source. This action will take you to a linked Google Sheet. It may open in a new tab, so make sure not to accidentally close it. This Google Sheet is where you'll input your actual data. You'll see sample data in there. Simply replace it with your own information. For example, if you're tracking budget items, you could have categories like marketing, research, and development with corresponding numerical values. Don't forget that you can also adjust the labels here to ensure they're descriptive and easy to understand for anyone viewing your presentation. Spend a little time here customizing. Maybe change the colors, experiment with different label styles, or adjust the font size so it's just right. Once your data is neatly entered and your chart looks good in the Google Sheet, it's time to return to your Google Slides presentation. Go back to the tab where your presentation is open. You'll notice that your pie chart hasn't updated yet. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Simply click on the Update button that appears on the chart, and all your recent changes from the Google Sheet will be applied. Now that your chart reflects the correct data, let's talk about placement and aesthetics. You'll want to resize and reposition the chart on your slide to fit with your design or layout. Click and drag the corners of the chart to resize, and click and hold in the center to drag it to your desired location. And there you have it. You've just created a customized pie chart in Google Slides. With this skill, you're set to make data-driven decisions stand out in your presentations. Happy presenting!